Dumbbell raises or lying cable raises. Dumbbells hit the side delts, but lose tension at the bottom. Cables keep constant resistance and isolate the delts even more. What makes your shoulder grow more? Barbell overhead press or dumbbell lateral raises? Lateral raises hits the side delts with 65% activation, while the traps and front delts stabilize. Meanwhile, barbell overhead press hits your front delts with 75% activation, with support from the triceps and upper chest. Best for raw power and mass. Today I realized the Smith machine isn't just for chest. It can build perfect 3D shoulders. Front delts, side delts, rear delts. Save this and come back stronger. Most people train shoulders wrong. Do this instead. Lateral delts. Front delts. Front and lateral delts. Save this and come back stronger. Want 3D shoulders? All you need is dumbbells. Front delt. Side delt. Rear delt. Save this and come back stronger. Feeling traps, not shoulders? You're doing it wrong. Watch this. Save this and come back stronger. Think you've been doing it right? You're close, but here's how to make it perfect. Save this and come back stronger. Shoulder press mistake. Don't do this. Avoid this common shoulder press mistake. Shrugging your shoulders shifts the work to your traps. Keep your shoulders down and focus on your delts for a safer, more effective lift. Yes, you can.
Subscribe to my channel.